Renee, and I am cooking away. As you can see, I have something delicious inside this pot on my stove. Well, in a previous video, I showed you guys how I was harvesting my Brussels sprout leaves. Well, and I told you that I would come back and cook them up and show you what they look like, and then I would taste them and give you an honest review on what I thought, because I've never had Brussels sprout leaves before. So today's the day. So all I did was prepare the Brussels sprout leaves like I normally would do collards or collard greens, you know, with bell peppers, onions, all the seasonings, and I used my smoked turkey tails. So I have my bowl over here, and as you can see, along with my turkey tails, I have a piece of chicken. I thought that would be fabulous with it. So what I'm going to do is we're going to scoop this up, but let me just let you see up close what it looks like. Doesn't that look so delicious? Look at that. And it is, and the aroma is amazing. Sorry, I'm fogging up the camera. But look at that. Look how beautiful that is. Gorgeous. I cannot wait to try this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in the bowl. And then we are going to try these bad boys. All right, let's scoop this up and put it right into this bowl over here. It's going to be delicious. I can't wait. Looks so good. So we're going to just put some in this bowl. And I only made a little bit because I'm the only one in the house that eats like collard greens other than my daughter when she's here. So let's look at this again. All right, let me get my fork right here. I'm so excited. All right, let's taste a little bit of the Brussels sprouts. Get some of that turkey tail. Let's get a good piece of it. Okay, here we go. All right, I'm going to give you my honest opinion. Oh my goodness, this tastes so good. You know what? Everybody's been saying that Brussels sprout leaves taste better than collard greens. OMG. Might have to jump on that train, because this flavor in these Brussels sprout leaves are so nice and tender. Oh my goodness. You know how I was about them sweet potato leaves when I tried that for the very first time. Now I'm going to have to jump on this train for the Brussels sprout leaves. And I think every year Miss Renee is going to be growing Brussels sprout leaves, even if it's just for the leaves. You know, if I get Brussels sprouts, I'm going to be so happy. But if I get nothing but the leaves, trust and believe, I will not be disappointed. Oh my goodness. Only thing this meal is missing with this chicken and these greens is me some cornbread. Oh, that would just put this dinner over the edge. So, if you guys have not tried Brussels sprout leaves, you better grow some just for the experience of trying them and falling in love with them. They are, I can't tell you how tender they are. And I only cooked these for maybe like 2 hours because I didn't have a lot of the Brussels sprout leaves, but they just melt in your mouth. I don't know how other way to say it. You guys have got to try this. And then you can put any kind of meat you would like in there, but try it. Let me know if you tried Brussels sprout leaves before, and let me know what you thought of them. Let me know if you thought they were as delicious as I am telling you guys. Delicious. Oh my goodness. So, this out of 1 to 10, Miss Renee is giving this a 12. That's how much I enjoy this. It came from the pot right here. First, it came from my garden to the sink to get cleaned up, to the pot, got all seasoned up, and bam, it ended up on this plate in this nice bowl full of goodness. My tummy is going to be thanking me tonight. All right, guys, I just wanted to bring this video to you guys to let you know this is a must try. All right, you guys, have a wonderful day. Have a blessed day. And Miss Renee will definitely be seeing you guys in the next video. All right, you guys, I'm going to sit at my table and Miss Renee gonna get her eat on. All right, guys, take care.